Here goes a maths lesson with no children. Let's give this a go. Now, I lost my pointy stick, so I'm having to use a stick that I found in the garden, so I'm really sorry about that. Okay, we're going to start by counting from 0 all the way to 20. Are you ready? Off we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Amazing. Let's see if we can do that even faster. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, you guys are so good. Now we're going to whisper it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we've counted all the way up the number line. Let's see if we can go backwards. So we're going to start at 20 and we're going to go all the way backwards until we reach 0. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There's a fly in here. Can you get out of my maths lesson, please? I'm going to go from 0 all the way to 20, and you guys can use whatever voice you want. So you could do a superhero voice, you could do a silly voice, you could do a loud voice, you could do a quiet voice. Are you ready? See if we can do one more than a number. So I'm going to point to a number and you have to tell me what number is one more. The fly is still buzzing around somewhere. Oh no, he's gone. Okay, are you ready? Remember, if we're doing one more, is our number getting bigger or smaller? Disappear, please. Hold on, let me get the fly out. Out. Sorry about that. If we are doing one more, is our number getting bigger or is it getting smaller? It's getting bigger. So we're going to go this way up the number line. Are we ready? In a whole sentence, can you do 1 more than 3? 1 more than 3 is 4. In a whole sentence, can you do 1 more than 6? 1 more than 6 is 7. In a whole sentence, let's do a tricky one. Can you do 1 more than 18? 1 more than 18 is 19. What about 0? 1 more than 0 is 1. And 1 more, let's go for 1 more than 9. 1 more than 9 is 10. Brilliant. Let's see if we can do one less. Now remember, if we are doing less, our number is getting smaller. So we're going to go this way instead. 1 jump less. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 12. 1 less than 12 is 11. 1 less than 20. 1 less than 20 is 19. 1 less than 9. Oh, I rubbed it off a bit. Sorry. 1 minute. Usually I have a number line in the classroom, not a, makeshift one. 1 less than 9 is 8. We've done 1 more than, we've done 1 less than. Let's see if we can do 2 more than. Now remember, if we're doing 2 more than, we're doing 2 jumps forwards. 2 more than 6. 2 more than 6 is 8. 2 more than 12. 2 more than 12 is 14. 2 more than 2. 2 more than 2 is 4. Fantastic. I wonder if we can do 2 less. 2 less than 15. 2 less than 15 is 13. 2 less than 19. 2 less than 19 is 17. 2 less than 10. 2 less than 10 is 8. Now, of course, if you don't have a number line, you can always just use your fingers. So if we did 2 less than 10, you have 10 fingers up. 2 less, how many are we taking away? 2. So get your 10 fingers up and take 2 away. It doesn't matter what 2, I'm going to do these 2. And how many have you got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 less than 10 is 8. Amazing. Okay, next. I have some Numicon. I'm going to hold it up and I'd like you to tell me which number it represents. So let's go for an easy one. 1. Can you draw a number 1 in the air? 1. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And draw an 8 in the air. Amazing. What about this one? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Show me number 10 in the air. Brilliant. That one. 2. Draw a number 2 in the air. Show me 2 fingers. Show me a different way of making 2. What about this one? What about this one? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many more would I need to add to make 10? Yep, 1. See? It's the same. This one. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do a number 7 in the air. Do a number 7 on your hand. Do another 7 on the floor. Amazing. That one. 4. Show me 4 fingers. Show me a different way of making 4. And another way of making 4. 3. Draw number 3. What about this one? 5. Easy. Show me 5 fingers. Give somebody next to you a high five. If you don't have anybody next to you, just do a high five. Give a high five to yourself. It's like the speediest maths lesson I've ever taught. Ready? You can tell me what they are. Oh, I've given you a clue already, look. 5. 7. 8. 1. 3. 1. 4. 7. 9. 2. 10. 6. 5. 10. 4. 5. 7. Oh, you're so good. Let me see if I can trick you. Hold on. All right, I'm going to do it speedy. Ready? Oh no! Oh, I'm trying to trick you. Ah, amazing! Give yourselves a pat on the back. Okay, the next thing we've got to do is our dice. I'm a bit cross with this dice actually because it's fading. That's because we've been playing with this outside. There we go. Oh. They definitely look like teeth marks. Please don't bite the dice. Yeah, they are definite teeth marks, look at those. Whoever's been biting my dice, please don't. Okay, here we go, ready? Oh, you guys are good. It's time for Shape Frog. Now, when I got Shape Frog and brought him here, I opened him up and he has shapes inside him, but when I actually put my hand in there, I found pencils, a brick, some Lego, a rubber, a load of toys. Shape Frog does not like to eat anything other than shapes. Please stop putting stuff in his mouth. That's my class that's been doing that. Ready? Shape Frog, what's inside? What's the shape you try to hide? Let's have a look and see. What's this one? Yeah, it's a square. Can you go and find a square shape? A square has 4 equal sides. Shape Frog, what's inside? What's the shape you try to hide? What's it gonna be? What's this one? Easy, that one's a triangle. Can you go and find a triangle shape? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Shape Frog, what's inside? What's the shape you try to hide? 2 more shapes in here for us to find. Aha! This is a really easy one. What's this one? A circle! Can you go and find a circle shape? Can you draw a circle in the air? Can you draw a circle on the floor? Can you draw a circle really, really big? Can you draw a really small circle? Amazing! And there's something special about circles. What can they do? Yeah, they can roll because they have a curved edge. Shape Frog, what's inside? What's the shape you try to hide? Last shape. Okay, I'll give you a clue. This shape looks a little bit like one of these. You got it? One of these. What is this? Yeah, rectangle. Can you go and find a rectangle shape? What differences can you see? They both have 4 sides. Yeah, the 4 sides are different. So this one has 2 long sides, 1, 2, and it has 2 short sides, 1, 2. Whereas this one has 4 sides, but all the sides are equal. And we do that for equal. Bye, Shape Frog. Hopefully next time the children will not fill you with toys and anything else they find in the classroom. Warm them up. Doubling fingers. Ready. Double 1 is 2. Double 2 is 4. Double 3 is 6. Double 4 is 8. Double 5 is 10. If you wanted to do double 10, how many times would you need to count it? Remember, for doubling, you have to count it 2 times. Double 10. Count my fingers 2 times. You've just done double by counting 2 times. How about tripling? How many times would you need to count it if you were trying to triple a number? So doubling, count 2 times. Tripling, count 3 times. Let's see if we can count 3 times. So I'm going to do triple 4. I'm going to put up 4 fingers and I'm going to count them 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would be double. 9, 10, 11, 12. So triple 4 is 12. I counted it 3 times. See if you can do triple 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Brilliant. I'm going to hold up 2 fingers and I'm going to let you guys see if you can do it. 222. 555. 333. 444. 10. You guys are amazing. We've done so much already. Let's see if we can do some adding. So I'm going to give you maybe 30 seconds to go and find a piece of paper or a whiteboard or something that you can write on. Are you ready? Off you go. Now, ow! If I pop these up like this, read the first one together. 3 add 2 equals. How many fingers do you need to hold up? Yeah, 3. How many fingers do you need to hold up on the other hand? 2. So keep your 3 fingers up, keep your 2 fingers up and put them together. How many have you got all together? 5, fantastic. We started doing this before the school closed. How many dots do we need to draw under this one? 3, brilliant. We'll draw them nice and neat. How many dots do we need to draw under this one? 2, fantastic. 1, 2. Okay, now is the most important bit. What do I need to do now with my numbers, with my dots? Yep, I need to add them all together. Are you ready to help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 5. And it should look like that. And I'm going to pause it on this part and you can see if you can do all of these by yourselves. Are you ready? Have you done them? You can check that you've got them right. So we had 3 add 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give yourself a tick if you got that right. Say it together. 4 add 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look at that. It's the same answer. You might be able to do this really quickly. There's something special about these 2 numbers. What can you notice about these 2 numbers? Yeah, they're the same, so that means that they're a double. So let's do 5 fingers. 5 add 5 equals 10. Easy. And I'm going to do it in a dice pattern so that I'm able to sabotage it. Oh, usually somebody comes and holds this for me. That's okay, I can do it by myself. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together, 6 add 3 equals, I'm going to do 6 dots under here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to do 3 dots under here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give yourselves a tick if you got that one right. How many dots am I going to draw under this one? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm running out of space. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm still doing them nice and neat though. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Something special about those 2 numbers. They are a number bond to 10, so they are 2 numbers that add together to make 10. And I think the one down here is a number bond to 10 as well. Look at that. 7 add 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, look, it looks like a numicon. See? 7 add 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another number. Oh, that's not very neat. Hold on. Doesn't matter. Made a bit of a mistake. There we go. Look at that. If your board looks like that or your work looks like that, give yourselves a clap. That's amazing. Now, we started to do this before school closed, but we started to count on from a number. So, for example, with this one, let's do 7 and 3. We already know that there is 7 here. So we don't need to count that there's 7. Look. We already know that there's 7 here. We could put 7 in our heads and count on. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the same with this one. We already know that there are 8 dots here. We could put 8 in our head and count on. 8, 9, 10. What about this one? How many dots are here? That's an easy one because we know that from a dice. 6, 7, 8, 9. And same with this one. 3, 4, 5. That's called counting on, and that's very, very clever. All right, I'm not sure if my class are going to be able to remember this, but we'll give it a go anyway. Okay, before we broke up, we started learning about 3D shapes, and we learnt a song to help us. Now, it's an American song, so there are some American words in it, which I'm going to try and change to words that we would use. Okay. This one. What is this 3D shape? Yeah, sphere. And it goes, sphere, sphere, what's your clue? I'm like the football that you kick with your shoe. Can you go and find a sphere shape? This one. Remember, it's like a can. It's like a can of what? Could be a can of beans. It's a can of chicken noodle soup. We're going to do cylinder. Cylinder, cylinder, what's your clue? I look like a can of chicken noodle soup. Now, I don't actually eat chicken, so I might change it. So, I look like a can of beans. So actually that doesn't rhyme. Cylinder, cylinder, what's your clue? I look like a can of vegetable soup. Obviously, if you guys eat chicken, totally fine. You could do chicken soup. Can you go and find a cylinder? What about this one? This is a good one. Let me zoom in on that. There we go. What's this one? Yeah, cone. Cone, cone. What's your clue? Don't let the ice cream drip on you. And you can put it on your head as a party hat too. I need a bigger party hat. Looks like a party hat. Looks like an ice cream cone. Can you go and find a cone? This one. Now this is a bit of a weird one. A drink of Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew is like a fizzy drink that they drink in America. So it's a bit like a Coke. Don't forget to brush your teeth after that. Okay, ready? It's a cube. Cube, cube, what's your clue? I look like the ice you drop in your Mountain Dew. Now, Mountain Dew is obviously a drink. We might drink something healthy like water, but we'll just skip over that bit. Can you go and find a cube? What is this one? Bit hard to see. Yeah, pyramid. Bonus points if you can tell me where pyramids are found. Begins with the E sound. Egypt. I've been to Egypt. It's amazing. It's really hot. Okay, ready? Pyramid, pyramid, what's your clue? I look like the house the Egyptians walked through. Can you go and find a pyramid? Last one, and this is the most fun one. What was this one? It's a bit like a cube, but it's kind of like a stretched one. We call this one a cuboid, and the cuboid is a bit like a box of tissues. Yep, you remember it. This is my class's favourite one. They won't even concentrate until I've done this, so let's just do this real quick. Cuboid, cuboid, what's your clue? I'm like the box of tissues when you say achoo.
Can you repeat?
Hold on, Alexa's listening to me. Alexa, stop listening to me, please. I'm trying to teach.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Cuboid, what's your clue? I'm like the box of tissues when you say achoo. Did that work? When you say achoo. Okay, please don't waste all the tissues. We need them at the moment. Can you go and find a cuboid? That's a wrap. I know that that's slightly different from what we do at school, but that's as similar as I could possibly make it. If you can do that maths lesson as much as you possibly can, that would be amazing. And of course, just adapt it. If you've done all those maths sums, the adding, then just do some different numbers. That's okay. If it's too tricky, just make it easier. Or if it's too easy, just make it even more tricky for you. Give yourselves a challenge. And just remember, we are just that little bit more closer to being back to normal, or as normal as we can be. Take care, everybody. Hopefully I will see you all really soon. Bye.